Anyway, by reading the title and probably the thumbnail also, yeah, it's really a heartbreak. I bought my drone 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and I kind of lost it. So anyway, this is how the drone got lost, how I lost my drone. So I was trying to film some afternoon video, aerial photograph, and it gets so dark so quickly, and I didn't have my lights on my drone, those accessories we have to put to fly like evening flight. You can't fly drone at night in the Philippines. You have a special permission for that. I didn't have that permission, so I have to fly around 6 o'clock, and yeah, darkness seems to fall quickly here in the Philippines. So I lost the drone. I tried to land it, I made it return home, but the problem is I thought I was flying it over my head, but I flew it like quite a long way from where I thought I was flying the drone, so it was far behind. So I thought it was over my head, and the return to flight mode came on when the drone ran out of battery. I decided to cancel it and land it manually, which I kind of crashed it in somewhere in the woods. So yeah, I'm gonna look for it. Sort of. So today marks the last day of my search. If I can't find it today, then it's all over. Hopefully I find it today. Anyway, today the boys decided to help me out with the search. Yesterday Nevriti helped me with the search. So today I don't know how many boys, but they are at the bottom of the hill searching, and I'm at the top of the hill searching down. So it's a huge area, but I'm just trying to follow the flight path and doing assumption if the drone lose connection from the remote, can fly return to home flight. So I'm just assuming this is the track that the drone gonna follow. So I'm here searching around here. It's a mini tree, so it's super light, so it can be up on the tree canopy, or down on the ground. Anyway, the area is not suitable for search. It's like a very big gully. So anyway, I'm gonna continue my search. I didn't vlog any of this because I was so stressed, upset, depressed about my drone. It's really costly. Anyway, last day, let's search. Lee! Oh, the boys are there. The house of a fowl, because there's a lot of bush fowl in this area, or house of a snake hibernating somewhere there. Right there, there's like a hole and water creek path running down. It has been raining for the past 2 days, so it's not a good weather for a drone living out on the open space. So today is my last day. No one's helping me today, so if I can't find it now, I'll just buy a new one. The pain of saying that line, buying a new drone. Oh god, I want to swear so bad, but Jesus will be mad at me for swearing. So I'm just gonna keep it to myself. Yeah, I'm gonna just search around and then go home. I think the birds here, they know something. They are telling me something. I don't know. I don't speak birds. Anyway, yeah. It's about to rain too, so I'm just gonna make a quick search and then go home, and then call it a day. There are no chance my drone is surviving this weather. So even if I find it, there are 50-50 chance that the drone will actually work. I want to take my chances, but oh god. Anyway, I'll probably check again tomorrow, Sunday, and see. as my last option. And then since I sign up with the DJI insurance thingy, I can get a new drone for cheaper price. Yeah, my drone won't survive this weather. It's been raining like this the whole day. So I didn't manage to find a drone, and it has been raining and raining and raining all throughout the week. So I called my session off, and yeah, I lost the drone. It's not a good day for me. Good week, good month. I guess we have to start from the bottom again. We're already up there, literally getting some good drone footage. Now we are down again. Yeah.